Hello and welcome back, artists and designers. We're going to make a pattern very quickly here today. Square PSD document, drag and drop library items, pattern preview, define pattern, apply pattern. Let's jump in. New. I'm going to do a square 1000 by 1000 pixel document. I'm going to make sure my background is transparent. Hit OK. I'm going to add a color fill to this background. This allows me to change it whenever I want. So let's add in a gray color to start. Perfect. I have my library items. I've made them in Illustrator. I'm not making them in this video. They're already made. I'm going to drop them in here, and let's drop 2 or 3 items in here. Scale them down. Enter. Adding in a couple fruits and veggies here that I've made in Illustrator. Other videos posted that show you how to do that. And let's add one more in here. Let's get this watermelon in here. There we go. Add that in. All right, I've added my library items just kind of randomly on my page. Haven't really thought much of this, but we're going to go ahead up to our next step, okay, which is pattern preview. So, oops, that's my mock-up. Let's go back here. So let's go view, pattern preview. It's going to say, hey, this works best with smart objects. We'll deal with that in a bit, and look at that. If I zoom out, here's my original tile highlighted in blue, and I can see my pattern starting to develop. And all I have to do is manipulate, move these around, adjust them, rotate them, duplicate them. I can add other things. If I want to draw something in here, I can add a new layer. I can grab my paintbrush, and if I draw something here, it's going to show up on every single layer that I have as well. So you could hand draw things and create your pattern this way as well. I'm going to undo those last 2 steps. All right, this pattern doesn't look great, but let's go ahead and define my pattern. So once I'm happy with it, I'm simply going to go up to, oops, before I do this, let's hide this. I don't like to keep that color layer. I like to keep it transparent. So let's go to edit, define pattern. I'm going to open that up. There we go, pattern number 2. It is now ready to go. I'm going to hop back over to this free mockup that I downloaded from Pixapine. I'm going to double click and apply my pattern to this nice shopping bag. So let's double click on that. It's got a color fill background here. I could change this color, but I'm going to go ahead and add a new adjustment layer, and I'm going to do a pattern. Once that pops up, let's pick our pattern from this list. So I got to scroll down here, and there's my pattern right there. And let's scale it down. It's way too big. That's a little small. Let's go somewhere in the 25% range. I could rotate this, put this on an angle, adjust it however I want. That looks pretty good. Let's hit OK and save that. We're going to hop back here and take a look. Let's preview it, and there's our preview. And like that, you've created your pattern and applied it to a mockup. So good luck, have some fun with that, and I'll see you in the next video.